Hi guys, today I'll show you everything you need to know about the DJI Avata. How we made a fly track with hula hoops and cones at the end, and how I crafted it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be unboxing a new toy. Here's the box. Oh, wrong box. Ooh. So here's the right box. So first of all, we're gonna unbox this, and then because I haven't tried this before, like a drone with like a VR headset, because this is basically that. And then we're gonna do a virtual flight, and like in VR we're gonna do it because I've never driven this before, so that I don't like drive into something. And then we're gonna make a track for the drone. And so let's see what's inside the box. So here it says there's a controller, something like a VR headset, and a drone. So let's see if there's an easy way to get these boxes out. So in the first box we got the drone, and the second box we got the goggles that are called the DJI goggles too, and also the motion controller. And in the third box we got the batteries and the charger for the batteries. So I'm not gonna show you how to put all pieces together, so then you can do a virtual flight. So first you need to turn on an application. It's called DJI Virtual Flight. So we're gonna do motion controller because that's what we have. Confirm. Next. So you put this in, oh, wrong side. So you put this in here. You take this, it kind of looks like a headphone jack. You put it in here. Oops. And I just connected this cable to here. You don't need a lightning cable because I have an iPhone, so put that there. You turn it, put it in your phone, and then you take your controller and, well, fly. So I couldn't connect it to these goggles, so I needed to borrow one from my dad, the bigger one, and so we have to do it with this. So we made the track. Now let's test track, and also let's fly the drones for the first time. So now we entered like the flying parts of, well, the virtual flight. It shows here that you have to click the red button 2 times to start the motors, and now you have to hold it. Oh, then you just fly off. And I'm pretty sure if you turn this like to the right, yeah, it goes to the right. And left, well, left. Up, oh, down. That also works. Wait, so do I, oh, there's like this little arrow. I'm guessing if I like, okay, I can't get on it. There. I go straight up. Yeah, I do. What happens if you go in the water? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell, but there's like 3 modes: manual, sport, and normal. I do not know how you change them. So now we're gonna make the drone track with hula hops and cones. So now the built, we'll finish the rest of the checkpoints. So now we're going to make a track for the drones by putting these checkpoints all over the place. After unboxing, making a track, and trying virtual flight, let's make a test lap on our track. The fastest lap is following. We made a really fun track, so let's see how fast I can go one lap. The following is what happened when I was trying to beat my best time. So on the last ride, something was wrong with the drone, and it was just kind of like flying forward, and then that kind of made me slam into a wall, so this broke off, and one of the propellers broke off also. So I guess we're finishing with a broken drone. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.